How to mark invoice as paid on QuickBooks. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the very first step is to log into your QuickBooks account. If you have logged into your QuickBooks online account, then you can just sign in if you don't have your account there. After you do it, you will see on a screen like this. So if you see the screen like this, now you need to navigate to the paid and pay option, which you see right here on the top in the left side. So after you tap on that, after logging in, find the main menu on the left side on the screen, scroll down and select get pay and pay tab. Now after that, you will again see a screen like this. So now locate the invoice. After you locate the invoice, you will see something like this right here, the option of invoices. Now what you need to do is find the unpaid invoice, scan the list of invoices to locate the one you wish to mark as paid. To simplify your search, you can utilize the search bar by entering relevant details like the invoice number, customer name, or other identifying information. Additionally, you can search the invoices by date or customer name or facilities identification process. Then you will see their details right here. Now record the payment. The receive payment button in the invoice details right here. Click on the button, open the new window specifically designed, and after that you will see a screen like this. So when you tap on the receive the payment option, you will just need to tap there, fill the payment details, and you're done. Apply the payment to the invoice now. Now you can simply save the payment and verify the invoice status. So this is how you can simply solve your problem and use it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.